remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charlotte. The local time is approximately 7:33. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Keep an aisle clear of all carry-on items and keep all carry-on items stowed. Once we have come to a full stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, extra care should be taken when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during landing. Before you leave the aircraft, ensure you have all your carry-on items with you. As a reminder, once in the plane, you are not allowed to reboard. So please take a few moments to check your surrounding areas, such as the seat back pocket in front of you, for any items you may have brought out, such as cell phones and wallets and AirPods. As once in the plane, you will not be allowed to reboard. With updated connecting gate information as well as monitors throughout the airport. You can also check on AA.com. We will be arriving today at gate B6. We do appreciate